Welcome to the Ethical Hacking Roadmap. In this video, we'll be discussing the fundamentals of ethical hacking and outlining a roadmap for those looking to break into the profession. What is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is a practice of testing a system or network to identify potential security vulnerabilities. Ethical hackers use their knowledge of security weaknesses to penetrate networks and systems to identify potential risks and threats. Ethical hacking requires the use of a variety of tools. Popular tools used by ethical hackers include port scanners, vulnerability scanners, network analyzers, password crackers, and data encryption tools. Before getting started with ethical hacking, it's important to have a strong background in computer networking, operating systems, and programming. Additionally, a basic understanding of security principles and best practices is helpful. For those looking to learn about ethical hacking, there are a number of online resources available. Popular resources include YouTube videos, online courses, and books. To make ethical hacking a career, certification can be beneficial. Popular certifications include Certified Ethical Hacker, CH, Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, and EC Council Certified Security Analyst. Ethical hacking is an exciting and rewarding profession. With the right tools, knowledge, and drive, you can become a successful ethical hacker.